County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, eastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ancient Oaks, or near Allentown, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Lansdale, Emos, Northampton, Quakertown, Percasey, Souderton, Bedminster, Hellertown, Chalfont, Tinicum, Hatfield, East Greenville, Dublin, Ferndale, Frenchtown, Milford, Regelsville, and Pleasant Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Hunter and New Jersey. Here is the forecast for the KWO 35 listening area.